welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a brand new video. I'm going to be waxing myself. I haven't done this in a long time. I haven't shaved, I haven't done anything, so it's time to get rid of Chewbacca over here. So I'm going to try out, finally, for the first time, this huge waxy kit that I got from FabFitFun. I don't know if you've seen my FabFitFun box, but go check that one out. This was an add-on, and it was for a very reasonable price. Usually this is like $56, but I got it for, I believe, either 18 or 24. I can't remember at the time, but it was creme brulee scented, and I was like, that's a perfect fall scent. It's a hard wax, as you can see from the little pellets inside the container. You get a little microwavable wax warmer. I thought it came with a regular plug-in wax warmer, but it is what it is. I can manage. I've done microwave wax before. Didn't go too well, but I think this time, after reading the instructions, I got it. And it comes with also some face and body applicators, so you get everything you need in this perfect little pouch for your waxing experience. First up, we gotta get this open. There we go. And you get your little applicators at the top here. You get a variety of wooden popsicle sticks. That's why I like to call them popsicle sticks. That's what they look like right here. See? So you get a wide range of different sizes to choose from in here, as you can see. And we're going to go and look at the wax warmer, which is this handy dandy little bowl looking thing right here. It's a rubber bowl, from what I can feel, or silicone rubber, something like that. We're going to do 2-minute intervals of the beads in the microwave. So, oh my god. Whew. It smells like caramel. Oh my god, it smells delicious. It smells so good. This is the creme brulee scent. Oh my gosh. So we're just going to pour some beads in here and try not to make a mess. Yeah, good luck with that. They don't really give us anything to pour them into, or a scooper. I wish they would give you a scooper. We're going to take a measuring cup now because this stuff is just too messy, and we're going to try and hopefully scoop out some beads and put it into our warmer here. There we go. Much more efficient way to do this, for sure. Make sure that's closed. Put our scooper on top. And we're going to warm up the wax warmer and the beads in the microwave for 2 minutes. Keep checking it until it's the consistency of honey. So I'm going to take out one of these little sticks right here. I'm going to use to stir the wax. It's already done, and it took around 4 minutes to fully process, and I have to tell you, it stinks like burnt popcorn. It smells so much better in the container. It smells good right here, but it's a little bit too runny right now, so I have to let it sit for a little while because it will pretty much burn you. You don't want it to be like a soup. You want it to be more of like a honey consistency. So definitely have to let this settle for like, I don't know, a while. This thing is super hot. You should definitely use a pot holder when using this, because if you try to just like bare hand it, it's going to burn you so bad. So you really want to be careful with the microwavable waxes. Even with this one and with other ones out there, just be mindful, be cautious. Finally, I believe the wax is at the right consistency. We're just going to stir this up a little bit, and I have a handheld mirror right here, and I'm going to do my eyebrows. And Hard wax is the best, in my opinion. It's the least messiest, and it's easy to work with. It's kind of like a lazy way to do waxing, in my opinion. But it's so great. It's so clean, and you get fast results, and it's great for coarse hair. So if you're a person out there who has coarse hair, male or female, doesn't matter, this would be great for you to get rid of all those unruly hairs. It's actually really great for the bikini area if you're interested in waxing that region. Highly recommend using hard wax. It can really get in there and get the job done. So we're not doing any bikini waxes or Brazilians today. So sorry to disappoint y'all, but that's not going to happen. We're going to do our eyebrows. I'm going to do my underarms, probably, and my legs. So making sure there's no wispy ends on my stick. I'm trying to like roll it around like that. So that way all the wispies are contained and gone. And I'm going to go above the eyebrow. Ooh, I think I have a little bit too much right there, in my opinion. So I'm going to just fix that real quick. You don't need a lot for your eyebrows. You want to be careful with your eyebrows. So I'm going to apply a little bit on the top of my eyebrow. Right here, trying to make a clean arch. I'm going to whisk that away. Oh, got a little bit of stringy right here, but no worries, just there we go. Then we're going to let that dry. Throw that away. There we go. We don't want to lose our whole eyebrow. It's harder to do it on yourself than on a client, that's for sure. When you're with a client, you can actually know what you're doing. You can see it. But like when it's on yourself, I don't know. I find it harder to do it on yourself. So we're going to let that settle. And you want to strive to make a tab at the end so that way you can pull it off. So that's what I tried to do, but I don't know if I was successful at that. You want to make sure it's hard and dry. Really capturing the hair. I think I did a pretty good job right here getting it lined up above the eyebrow. That's really what I wanted to do. We're going to pull tight or taut, and we're going to just pull away and then press where we just waxed for like a few seconds just to relieve the pain. And we are done, and you can see all those hairs. But I did a very good job. I'm happy with that. Stirring up the wax. This time it's not too hot, so I can actually hold it and not get burnt. This is my own personal wax pot, but if you were doing this for a client, you would want to make sure to change out the sticks. Ooh, all the way straight down. Make sure it's hardened nicely. I'm waiting for the other one to dry, so while we wait for that, then we go right here. In between the eyebrows, and then make a little pull tab, get rid of the wispies. Oop, almost got rid of all the wispies. Oop, no. There we go. This one wants to be rebellious. Oh, we're going to hold tight right here while this one dries, and we're going to pull. Got a lot of hairs out, which is nice. Love it. So far I'm really loving this wax. Right now it's really good for the eyebrows, and my eyebrows are like Chewbacca, so yeah, it's been a while. So we're going to pull this tab right here, going to go downward. My little tab is like falling apart, it seems. So we're going to just wing it. Oh, well, we got some stuff. Oh, we did. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm going to go and reheat this wax and I will be back to you in like a few minutes. I think it's cooled off enough. Okay, really get those wispies. There we go. Yeah, this part is like the hardest part to do by yourself. I'm going to pull really tight. I can feel it. Oh yeah. It's dry. You're going to do it. Pull it tight up. And brace. 1, 2, 3. Got some little hairs. Throw that in the trash. Oh yeah, I cleaned up really good. Got those little wispies. Oh. Oh no. There we go. I think it's getting caught in my hair. Hold tight right here. Making our little flop. And pull. We're just going to wax from the leg to the knee. Pretty much. So, diving in. And you want to use the bigger ones, but because I have this one already set, I'm just going to pretty much like be like, whatever. I have a big old stringy right here. And for hard waxing, you can just go around in a circular pattern and wait for it to dry. I already have like a little flap. And you want to do the direction of the hair growth. I'm going to hold the skin tight. We're going to 1, 2, 3. It wasn't even that bad. And I'm a big baby. I'm going to do the rest of my legs and then I'm going to tell you what I think of the waxing kit. Well, a few discoveries with this waxing kit is that you have to keep constantly keeping it warm. You're always going to the microwave and warming up the wax. Right now I have to have the microwave door open because it's getting really super hot. It's kind of getting like tedious in a way. I'd rather have just shaved my legs at this point. Okay, well, right now I'm having my leg processed and it's doing its thing, so I'm going to do my underarms real quick while this stuff is still heated up. It's getting to be goopy. Can't really keep warming it up because when I keep warming it up in the microwave is like kind of overheating. I'm trying to like lay back. So working on my core strength, that's all I'm doing. Working on the abs. This is gonna be fun to peel off. Ugh. My thoughts on the product. It's not worth $54. The whole kit is originally $54 and I'm like, how? Does it come with a wax warmer that you plug into the wall and you have a full warming experience? This stuff you gotta put in the microwave over and over and over again. Nearly breaking your microwave just to keep it warm. Not worth $54. It's worth like what I paid for it was like $24. It was creme brulee or caramel brulee. So I thought, well, why not for fall? But I seen that they have other waxing scents for each season. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if I would get the caramel brulee again. Not a fan of the scent. I kind of just want to get rid of the wax. For doing your face, if you need like your eyebrows done, it's like really good for that. Underarms, I think so, but like for your legs, meh, might as well just shave. Save the time and energy. Going to wax my own armpit, oh my god. Ah! Oh, mamacita. I'm like a freaking bear. Look at that. But I got some good ones though from the follicle. Like, heck yeah, you can see those little bulbs there. Oh wow. It did really good. Just reflecting on life. Oh, frick my life. Oh. 1, 2, 3, right? One. It's always worse when you like anticipate the pain, right? Oh, what the fuck? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my boobie. Got some hair out. I got some hair out. It wasn't just for nothing. Overall, I told you my thoughts of the product. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried Wakse and if you liked it and like what was your experience, because right now I'm on the fence. I wouldn't say that I totally hate it, but I can't say that I totally like it. That was my experience using the Wakse or Wakse, not sure how to pronounce it, microwavable hard wax kit. If you guys like this video and liked seeing me in pain, let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's really appreciated. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.